So where do you make notes on the iPad? And let me guide you through it as a person who's been using the iPad for multiple years. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. So of course, there is the built-in Notes app. We have to mention this one, which is fine. Like if you quickly need to write down like a shopping list, or write some notes, or whatever else which you need to do quickly, and if you are like pretty simple when it comes to like taking notes, then this app is going to be fine. Like you can write down the text in different sizes and in different styles as well. Like you can use the Apple Pencil to draw, right? It's an okay app to take notes, so a lot of people definitely use that. However, a lot of people also buy the iPad for the use of the Apple Pencil, and the handwritten notes in the Apple Notes app are definitely not as good as it should be, right? So instead, there are two apps which I like to use, and it is the Notability as well as Good Notes. And those apps are literally designed for handwritten notes, especially with the Apple Pencil, where you can write something, choose the different background, choose all of the different pens and sizes and all of that. And the most important part is the lasso tool, because, you can select whatever you want in that page and like move it around. And this makes it for a very useful and very like visually engaging note, which you kind of like end up having using this app. So yeah, definitely give it a try. But other than that, there are also other type of taking notes, and that is using the Documents app, something that you would also do on like a laptop when you would open up the Microsoft Word or Apple Pages, and there is just simply just plain text written all over, and that is also something that a lot of people enjoy. So that is like a third type of note taking on the iPad. Me personally, I use kind of like all of them combined for different purposes. So yeah, it's up to you to decide which one you like the most, but that would be about it. Let me know what you think below in the comments, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.